Welcome back, Java fans. In this video, we're connecting Java to a MySQL database using JDBC and performing full CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. By the end, you'll have a working template you can reuse in your projects. We'll create a simple students table, then write a Java program that inserts a record, reads all records, updates one, and finally deletes it. You'll need Java installed, MySQL running, and the MySQL JDBC driver on your class path. I'll show you the exact commands and code walkthrough. The JDBC jar file will be available in the description. Create a database named SchoolDB and a table called Students with ID, name, age, and grade. We'll use auto increment for the ID so it's generated for us. In your IDE, create a new Java project and then create a class named JDBC CRUD demo with a main method. After this, paste your jar file into the lib folder and add the file into the reference library. In this section, we are defining three constants required to connect to our database. First, we have the database URL, which specifies that we are connecting to a MySQL server running locally on port 3306, and the database name is SchoolDB. Next, we define the username, which is set to root. Finally, we provide the password that allows authentication for this user. Together, these values form the connection details that will be used later to establish a link between our Java application and the MySQL database. Use drivermanager.getConnection with your DB URL, user, and password. If you see a successful connection, you're good to go. We'll use try with resources to auto-close our connection and statement. In the create step, we insert a new record into the students table. The query adds a student named Alice, age 20, with a grade of A. After execution, the program confirms that the record has been inserted. After inserting the record, we move on to the read operation. Here we run a select query that fetches all the rows from the students table. The program then loops through the results set one by one. For each student, it prints their ID, name, age, and grade to the console, separated by vertical bars for clarity. This allows us to actually view the contents of the database in real time and confirm that our earlier insert worked correctly. In this case, we should see Alice, along with her details displayed on the screen. Next, we perform the update operation. The SQL query here looks for the student whose name is Alice and changes her grade from A to A+. Once the query runs, the program prints a confirmation message saying, "Record updated." This step demonstrates how we can modify existing data in the database instead of just inserting or reading it. If we were to read the table again after this update, we would now see Alice's grade updated to A+. In this final section, we are performing the delete operation. The SQL query removes the record from the students table where the name is Alice. Once executed, the program confirms that the record has been successfully deleted. Now let's look at the output of our program. First, after the insert query, the console prints a confirmation message. Record inserted. Next, during the read step, the program displays all students currently in the database, including Alice with her details. Then when we run the update query, the console shows record updated, and Alice's grade is changed from A to A+. Finally, the delete query executes, removing Alice's record from the table, and we see the message record deleted. This sequence confirms that our create, read, update, and delete operations all work successfully. That's it. You have successfully performed CRUD operations on MySQL using Java. Like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials.